Number 81, we are doing more slurs. We're in A major. We have those three sharps. It's telling us F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. So we're just on the tapes. We're starting off with an A major arpeggio and then coming down with another arpeggio. And the last line, we have an A major scale coming down. So A, C, E, A, G, E, D, B, A, C, E, A, G, E, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, B, A, A. So we're going to slow it real down. We're going to really slow it down so that we can change those notes on the same bow. And we're just going to have a very smooth, smooth 2 beats for each bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Be very careful to watch that you are changing your pose. I have a lot of students that are like, I did it right. And they're like, close. You got the fingers, but we need to get the bow. So watch yourself in the mirror, record yourself, and watch out for the string crossings. We don't have any string crossings during a slur yet, but that will come soon. So just really relax. Over. Be really nice because you're learning a new skill and this is not easy.